We are here, we are here, we are here with running the levels, looking for a market structure and pattern. Okay, guys, we are marking up BTC, CAD. Let's look down at time frame to find some market structure. There's a short chart to look at so we can kind of tag, we will tag majority of these time frames and look for patterns. So overall structure, paying attention to overall structure, what are we going to identify first? We're going to identify price action, where price action at, what is it as well, which is a doji. Indecisive candle, don't know if that market's going to drop down or drop up. When you look down the time frame, you'll be able to see what's going on. Price higher highs, price is currently sitting near higher highs of that resistance of that high. Price come down to that low point of be right here, or as you can call this the midpoint. If we're looking at the overall structure, if we look at the bottom, bottom will be a low. So we can clearly see market showed off at a low, pushed up to that high, came back down to that midpoint, pushed back up to that high, and now we're just sitting right there at that high. So we don't know if he's going to get a break and retest again for that market to go up in this uptrend, or we don't know if that market's going to drop down from that um, downtrend, or we just think about market consolidating here for a little while before we get that break up after the retest, top end, breakout retest, bottom end. Let's take a look at the weekly and see what's going on. Some patterns in the market. I mean, you can see that incline of something happening right here. It look like a few W's in that area here. So we can see, we look at here, we can see that market coming down from sideway, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg W, got another one. It's a lot of extension, which considered consolidation, first leg, second leg, third leg. Market pushed the fourth view on skip these retests here. Also, we can clearly see a triple bottom here. We got some first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg retest. Market pushed up. So you can see that market spiked down from that triple bottom here, this area, and we got multiple retests and this area here that pushed that market up. Let's head down the time frame again. Let's look at the daily. So we have think about price action, okay, highs, lows, mids. Okay, so price is right on top of that mid. Price spiked up once, price up twice, came back for a retest, market drop. What happened? We received that special first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, W formation. Retest came after, market pushed down all the way back down to that midpoint. So when that market comes at midpoint, you know it's going to consolidate and find some momentum. And most of the time, we do see that market shoots up in that midpoint. If not, we don't have markets going back down to previous areas of low after the retest. So let's take a look at what's going on here. So headed down to the time frame to the 4 hours, see if we can identify some more structure. So there's a double top in this area here, right in front of us. So we think about highest highs. Okay, we have lowest lows, and we have a midpoint. Also identified another structure pattern. So we're gonna do more than one right here. So we got a double top here. So we see that double top, we see what? First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, market push down. Second to last candle from where I was at with that push down. That's the retest and market push down once, twice. You can see that decline W that pushed that market up a little bit, that pushed that market all the way back down. Also, there's a pattern in this area here, which is a W. So we do see that first leg with that long spike down that leg. When you see these spike down with these legs, showing that the market was able to push all the way down, wasn't able to hold, came back up, closed down this area here, which we had the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retesting that area here. Market pushed up once and got that consolidation for that market to push up to new levels. Very important information, guys. Please review and study Forex pattern cheat sheet. Click on images, go through the structure. You will see a lot of double bottoms, double top, wedge patterns, head and shoulders, triple bottoms, triple tops, teacups. Very important patterns to understand the market, to understand the overall direction the market is going to go into. Very important information, guys. Please understand a break and retest when markets that are low. When it's coming through that, when it's coming to our resistance line, meaning the roof. When it breaks the roof, what's going to happen? You have to know these things. Very important market structure. Hey guys, this is Cam Jones, FX, running the levels. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. BTC CAD.